SWHI. It's the first time we're taking a look at this one. Right now at 0133. Nice little move up here. Big volume, 1.8 million shares. Moved you guys pretty well. The volume's staying pretty steady here, but the last few days it's been dropping off here with this pull down that you're seeing coming off the 0190 area, right around that range down to the 0133. I'm looking over here. If you see me here a minute ago, I was looking at the close here, which would have been at the 0120, and then the open at the 0130. Okay, so there is a minor gap here. I'm pretty sure that's coming down to fill that right now. It's very, very possible, especially now that it's broke the 10-day simple moving average. My personal opinion is that I think that it's going to end up closing around the 0120 before it makes moves up, but keep an eye on it. That's what I would be watching for. That 10-day simple moving average might creep down, and then you guys bounce off of that. It might be filling that gap because it's filled all the other gaps that you guys have seen over here as well right now. It might fill that before it bounces up, but as far as the chart goes, we're going to for sure want to make sure that the 01 holds is going to be the penny mark. Is going to be a very, very significant threshold for this one. A very, very solid support now. I still think that it's setting up. Watch it though. I would watch for a bounce off of more than likely, in my personal opinion, is going to be that 0120.
All right, so they had a press release on March 9th. It was SW Innovative Holdings Incorporated at a corporate update. So SW Innovative Holdings Inc., DBA Everybody's Phone Company Incorporated, is traded on the OTC Pink with the ticker symbol SWHI. They are a provider of landline prepaid telephone services. They announced the company details. SW Innovative Holdings Incorporated is considered a development stage company focusing on marketing plain old-fashioned telephone services, POTS, to consumers in Texas. Norman George, president, said 2016 was spent reorganizing the corporation. On or about October 2016, there was a reverse stock split. On or about December 28, 2016, registration of shares utilizing the Registration A registration was deemed qualified by the commission, allowing the corporation to raise up to $500,000 in fresh equity from the sale of common shares over the next 12 months. The proceeds from the sale of the registered stock will be used to implement our marketing plan to increase revenue and achieve profitability within the next 12 months. The names of the buyers will be disclosed in our quarterly and annual reports filed with OTC Markets. The company has spent considerable time beta testing and marketing plan to a specific consumer base who lives paycheck to paycheck, and developing its internal back office automated software to allow the company to manage its business with low overhead costs. We have discovered specific zip codes where our target market lives, so we can utilize target guerrilla marketing to achieve a critical mass of subscribers. Once we achieve profits from revenue, we will begin to expand our marketing to other markets in adjacent states beyond fiscal year 2017. So about SW Holdings, they sells prepaid unlimited local dial tone telephone services to residential market, primarily in Greater Houston. The company is fully licensed by the Texas Public Utility Commission to resell telephone services throughout the state. Once EVPH achieves critical mass in Texas, the company plans to expand its prepaid telecommunications product offerings nationwide. So for more information, they have their website. It's www.everybodysphonecompany.com. And as always, if you want to continue doing some due diligence on this company, you can go right over to that SWHI board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it. Or even if you have a question about the company, feel free to share it on that board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. And that is pretty much that.
All right. 0133 might fill the gap at 0120, 0130 before I move up here. In my opinion, resistance at 0190, support at 01 is a must hold. So make sure you watch for that. Keep an eye on it. It might be filling that gap before it moves up here. It's sure what it looks like, in my personal opinion. That's what it looks like it's going to be trying to do here before it moves up. So keep an eye on this one, though, because if it does fill that gap and starts moving back up again, we're going to be continuing to watch it. So if you're watching this one for the first time, let us know. If it starts, comes down to that 0120 and starts making its way off of there again, make sure you leave a comment below so we can do another update on this one. And as always, if this video helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.